Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change your Minecraft name. So in order to do this, visit the minecraft.net EN/US or any other language you're using. Simply go for the minecraft.net and you should be fine. After that, you'll need to be logged into the profile you want to change the name for. And now go to the right top of the screen. Click on the profile. Here go for the My Games and you should see the Minecraft Java Edition. Go for profile name and here you'll be able to choose a new name. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.